Hello my friends, in this video I would like to talk about the positive crankshaft ventilation valve, what it does, how it works, and understand why it's so important to maintain that valve in operational condition. If you first time to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell, you won't miss any videos. It's very easy, very simple to replace the valve on Ford F250 with a 5.4 V8 Triton engine, and I won't go and describe lots about procedure how to do that, but we'll like to talk about the valve itself. Okay, first we're going to do cleanup before we'll start removing the valve. And what PCV valve does, PCV valve uses the engine vacuum to pull blow-by, known as crankshaft gases, from the crankshaft case and push them down into the intake manifold back into the combustion chamber, where those toxic harmful gases can be reburned. Alright, that's the main what it does, and that valve can fail over time. Here we go, new valve arrived. That valve cost like $15, very cheap, but prevents a lot of serious issues with the engine. And new valve, when you test it, you just shake the valve, and if you hear that rattling sound, that valve is not clogged up and that membrane is stuck and closed, and that's valve is okay. But to understand the operation of the valve depends on the engine condition. If engine is not running, you don't have vacuum and PCV valve closed and no blow-by gas flow. At idle, we have high vacuum and valve slightly open, and you have small blow-by gas flow. At a normal engine operation condition, you have a moderate level of engine vacuum and valve properly open, and you have a medium blow-by gas flow. At the accelerating and operating under the high load, you have lower vacuum inside the intake manifold, PCV valve fully open, and you have blow-by gas in large quantities. Okay, that's the main thing, how well works, but it can also fail over time. Valve can get clogged up or stuck closed, and then you will notice certain symptoms like increase in internal engine pressure, failure one or few seals or gasket. You will have experienced severe engine oil leaks and moisture and sludge buildup inside the engine surges, and possibly you might have the black smoke. If a PCV valve got stuck and open and some connections got ruptured, that can produce the vacuum leak, which will affect the engine performance, especially can get affected in hard starts or rough idle and lead to lean air fuel mixture. Thank you so much guys for watching. That is what I would like to share. If you first time to the channel, go and watch more videos, and that way support my small hobby YouTube channel. Thank you so much again. See you soon, and yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.